Now you will hear part 1. You have 30 seconds to read the questions. Number 1. Do you know whether the lab reopens after the holiday? Number 2.
I completely forgot we had a quiz today.
Number 3. Could you turn the projector on for me? Number 4.
Have you signed up for the campus tour yet?
Number 5. My laptop keeps freezing during the lecture. Number 6.
Do you know if the cafeteria takes card payments?
Now you will hear part 2. You have 30 seconds to read the questions.
Hi, I've come to sort out which courses to take next term. Could you help me?
That's exactly what I'm here for. Do you have a subject in mind?
Yes, I'd really like to focus on psychology. I want to take the cognitive psychology course.
That's a popular choice. Let me look at your record. Here's the thing. Cognitive psychology is an advanced module, and it has a prerequisite. You need to have completed Introduction to Psychology first, and I don't see it here.
Oh. I didn't realize that. So I can't take it yet?
Not this term, I'm afraid. My advice would be to sign up for the introductory course first. Once you've passed that, the advanced course will be open to you next year.
That makes sense. I'll register for the introductory one then.
Good plan. Let me print out the registration form for you now.
Thank you so much.
Now you will hear part 3. You have 30 seconds to read the questions. May I have your attention, please? This is a short notice about a temporary change to the campus shuttle bus. Please listen carefully. Beginning tomorrow, and for the rest of this week, road repairs will be taking place near the east side of campus. Because of this work, the shuttle bus will not be able to reach the east gate stop, and that stop will be skipped for the whole period. If you normally get on or off at the east gate, please use the south entrance stop instead. It's only a couple of minutes walk away, and all buses will continue to serve it as usual. The rest of the route is unaffected, and the timetable stays the same. For live updates on where the buses are, the best thing to do is check the transport app on your phone, which we update throughout the day. Thank you for your patience while the repairs are carried out. Now you will hear part 4. You have 30 seconds to read the questions.
Today we're looking at the nervous system, the body's remarkable communication network, and the way it carries and processes information from one part of the body to another. Let's start with the building block. The basic unit of the nervous system is a special kind of cell called a neuron. Your body contains billions of them, linked together into vast networks. It's along these cells that messages travel. Now, how does a message actually move along a neuron? It isn't carried as a liquid or a fluid, as you might imagine. Instead, the signal travels as a tiny electrical impulse, a small pulse of electricity that races along the length of the cell in a fraction of a second. But here's an interesting problem. Neurons don't quite touch one another, there's a microscopic gap between them. So how does the electrical signal cross that gap? At the junction, the neuron releases chemical messengers that drift across the space and pass the signal on to the next cell. So the message is electrical within a neuron, but chemical between neurons. To appreciate how fast all this happens, think about what occurs when you accidentally touch a hot surface. Almost instantly, before you've even had time to think, your hand pulls back. That split-second reaction shows just how quickly signals can race to and from the body. And this brings us to the brain, which sits at the center of it all. The brain doesn't simply receive these signals, it interprets them, decides what they mean, and determines how the body should respond. Sensation, movement, thought, all of it depends on this constant conversation between the brain and the nerves. It's an extraordinarily sophisticated system, and we're only beginning to understand it fully.